The most common cause of a toilet leaking soon after installation is improper sealing or alignment between the bowl and the waste outlet. When a toilet leaks immediately after installation, it usually comes down to how the wax ring or seal was compressed and how the bowl sits on the flange. Start by turning off the water and removing the tank water if needed, so you can check the toilet base for signs of moisture or water stains. Inspect the wax ring seating by loosening the closet bolts slightly and rocking the bowl gently to see if it moves. Any movement means the ring is not compressed correctly and must be replaced with the correct thickness for the flange height. Check the flange height relative to the finished floor by measuring the gap. If the flange sits below the finished floor, you need either a flange extender or a thicker wax ring to achieve a proper seal. Verify that the closet bolts are tightened evenly by alternating turns on each bolt in small increments until snug. Over-tightening on one side can crack porcelain or tilt the bowl and cause leaks. Confirm the bowl and outlet alignment by lowering the bowl straight down without sliding so the outlet mates cleanly to the wax ring and the bolts line up with the holes. Misalignment will break the seal even if the wax ring and bolts appear correct. 3 common mistakes lead to immediate leaks, and they are all easy to fix when you know what to check. People often use a wax ring that is too thin for a recessed flange, which causes gaps. Use a reinforced or thicker ring or add an extender to raise the flange. Uneven or over-tightened bolts will tilt the bowl and break the seal, so back them off and tighten evenly in small steps. Checking level as you go. Another frequent problem is misalignment during placement, where the installer slides the bowl onto the wax ring instead of lowering it straight down. Remove and reinstall the bowl using a single vertical drop to seat the ring properly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share experiences and troubleshooting tips for immediate post-installation leaks. We help contractors showcase their work to homeowners and use our community to discuss common installation pitfalls and fixes.